everyone, thanks for watching. Today we're jumping right into this video. I'm going to show you guys my recent glowy makeup and skin routine. Summer is on its way. It's spring right now, and the big thing for summer is just glowy skin, getting your makeup as natural as possible. So I'm going to go in with my GlamGlow mask. This mask is a glow mask. It's specifically meant to give you that glow throughout the skin. What I've learned throughout the years of doing my makeup is layering is a big key in having that lasting glow, like throughout the day, that glow that's just like in your face. You really want to layer products to create that glow instead of just trying to use one thing and hope that gives you the glow that you want. Like even before you get to your highlighter, you want to already have that glowy skin and moisturizer. So we're going to start off by using this GlamGlow mask. And this is the Gravity Mud Mask. So it's supposed to firm the skin, tighten the skin, but also create that long-lasting glow. Here's what it looks like. It dries down to like a peel-off mask. Going in with my fan brush to apply this. You don't need a lot, but this is also something that I only use once a month. I wouldn't use this every day. You can use it to create that glow, and then you really don't need it again, I feel like, until you're going out, or if you're going to be doing something where you just want to have this like super bright in your face glow. That's when I like to use this.
Two hours later.
I let the mask sit on for about 20 minutes. I got it all in my hair and everywhere. So now I'm just going to try to peel it off. My nose is probably the driest part of my face, and I have a glow. So, I mean, it does work really well, but I just feel like it's not something you want to use every day because it's not a targeted skincare product. It's to create this underlying effect that you want, but you definitely want to be using something that is skincare if you want to restore a little bit of that hydration and glowiness in the face. But this is something, it's just like a cute add-on, you know. It is going to give you a glow, but you still want to make sure you're taking care of your skin. But I definitely see a glow coming through, and I hope you guys can see it as well. For sure, like on my nose, a little bit on my chin. My forehead is also really dry, so to have a glow on the forehead, you know, is the mask, period, because my skin is super dry. We got all of our mask off, even though it's still some left in my hair. I'm gonna have to go and get that out. It's a primer and moisturizer, so not only does it create just like a perfect base for the start of your makeup, but it also just really moisturizes the skin. If you girls out there, girls and guys, have dry skin, this is such a bomb primer to just give you like the most flawless face, period. I think this is such a great primer. I'm so happy I discovered it. And this is also great for you natural girls and guys that don't like just a lot of heavy products that you can feel on the face, but you want something that's efficient and that works, and so that's exactly what this is. The primer alone is literally everything. It already has created this glow. The mask helped, but once we put the primer on, it's already glowy skin. Finally got all of our masks off, including the mask that was left in my hair. I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation, the MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body. Very lightweight, really pretty, and it also helps to add that natural glow. During the summer, I like to have a little bit of a dewy glow. Next, I'm going to go in with the Mcgrath Mothership palette. This is the number 2 palette. I really love this shade. It gives you a really pretty golden glow. So we're going to use this for the lid. I think we're going to mix a little bit of this and this other light pink shade. I'm going in with Flash and Dash. This is a gold glitter, really pretty. I love adding this just to the crease. So I love adding the gold shadow as a finishing product because that always helps to add that glowy look whenever you use gold. We're just going to go in now with my liquid liner. I'm going to go in with our same powdered bronzer from Fenty. I love my cream contour, but sometimes I'm not in the mood to really just do all of what it would take to get that perfect. So whenever I just want a really quick but nice flawless finish, I'll go in with this bronzer. Use my big brush and it's a quick, still gives me a really pretty look, but without so much work. We're gonna go in with my favorite MAC product, period. It's the Pro Longwear Concealer. I love this concealer. It's just the perfect blend of like a heavy duty concealer where it covers, but it's still natural and light enough that it just blends in with the face. So this is in the shade NC42. I love to apply this either with a brush or a beauty sponge. To set everything, I'm using my Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Banana. While I'm letting the powder set, I'm going to go in with my Tiana Taylor highlighter for the body. Well, it's not for the body, it's a highlighter, but I love using it for my body because it's just perfect. To keep the glow going after I've already done my face, I still like to mix my highlighter with my blush. This is something I always love to do, just to make sure that everything is like symmetrical on the face. For our lips, we're gonna keep the glowy look going. I'm using Gold Allure. This is from Mcgrath. Let me show you guys this on my hand because it's really golden. So it's gonna create that perfect highlight. I'm not gonna use this just all over the lips, but I do like to use things like this just in the center to create that pop. I'm going in with Strip Down Liner. This is from MAC. It's a really pretty nude brown shade with a little bit of pink in it. Here is our finished look of our glowy makeup and skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I really love how it turned out. And so I love when I just create looks that they're not planned and they still turn out just as beautiful as if they were planned. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video.